Hi friends, it's Julia, and I have a couple of hauls today, if you will. I have my Freckled Fawn and my Felicity Jane. I'm going to do them both in this one video to knock them both out. I haven't done these videos in a while, so yeah, sorry about that, but it is what it is. These are the November Freckled Fawn kit supplies, and I do have this add-on. I get an extra alphabet set every month. The washi tape, the labels, the wood veneer, and the chipboard, I believe, all come with, and the enamel dots all come with the standard kit. And then that's the standard, and then I get the additional letter set. So the letters are dark blue base with white font. These are the letter stickers. You know, I love these fall colors with the rusty oranges and these harvest gold yellows and that pale green with the avocado green on it. Y'all, what can I say? I'm a 60s and 70s color scheme girl. Love those colors there on the labels. And those are great. You can use them not only in your scrapbooking, but if you're a planner girl, you can use those in your planner as well. These wood veneers are so cute. I really need to go order some more of those. And the chipboard, I love the chipboard. It's got all of my favorite colors, I think, in there. The rusty orange, the green, the harvest gold yellow. And I can't make that go back in there. And then, of course, the enamel dots. This is more a brighter orange, but I think it goes well. I wish they had done a darker orange to match this rusty orange here, but it'll work out well. Anywho, so there's that. And then my Felicity Jane. And I have been ordering that extra stamp set every month. This is the Molly kit. So let me move. I'm going to take all of this out of the packet and go from there. Okay, so here is Molly, and this is the paper pack. This is flippin' beautiful. Let me take out the introduction sheet to it. Oh, that floral is absolutely stunning. I don't even think this is doing good justice to it. These colors are stunning. Awesome fall inspiration. Look at that. This is one I should have ordered a second paper pack on this one too. Maybe next month I'll go back and see if any of this paper is left and order a second paper pack, because these colors are phenomenal. These are like the ultimate color in fall. Oh, that's so pretty. This is gorgeous. Those are gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. I showed you the Molly stamp. Here's the little thank you card that comes with the kit. This is the stamp set. Fall favorites, give me all the sweaters, seasons change, fall, family, friends, memories, photos, grateful and thankful, home, hashtag bless, November, Molly, my greatest blessings together. The pocket page cards. It says sweater weather. I love how it looks like a photo frame going around there. Fall. Love those. These are corduroy hearts, and they're gold, pink, and that teal mint type color. So cute. That doesn't really do it justice there. These are chipboard frames. We haven't had chipboard frames and it feels like forever. I haven't seen a lot of them in scrapbooking recently. Same patterns. on the chipboard frame. And like any other, if these are too thick, because they are layered up, you can always peel some off. These are the Molly tags. So cute. I love that they have the grommets eyelets already on them. And I love that they're gold. It'll make adding any other embellishments to this kit so easy. These are the die cuts. It's already got Molly in there. I'm going to flip that over. I'm not going to take all of those out. The alphabet set looks like a dark bluish gray with white grid on top of it. And then these are the puffy dots, cardboard stickers. No, they're cardboard stickers, not puffy dots, but I love the color scheme. So that's it. I appreciate you guys being here, and I hope that you will come back. I would love it if you would flip me a thumbs up on my video, and if you're interested in seeing how I use these supplies, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell notification if you want to be notified every time I upload a video. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.